Out of the Stanford workshop came a report that crystallized the components of the major initiative on cancer stem cells. And then in April 2008, the Toronto workshop, a scientific steering committee was put together, chaired by Dr. John Hassel, and their goal was to develop their final strategic plan, which was submitted to the board in August of 2008. And there is a working group of the board who is now undertaking an implementation plan. And with that plan, it is hoped that we will soon be able to announce RFAs within Canada subject to board approval. But of course, the one goal that is set, and that is for the February 2009 announcement of the CIRM Cancer Stem Cell Consortium joint RFA to fund disease teams. And this partnership between CIRM and the Cancer Stem Cell Consortium was announced during the Bio 2008 conference in San Diego this year by Governor Schwarzenegger and the Canadian Health Minister, the Honourable Tony Clement. So finally, just to sum up keys for success, I think that you'll see that one of the key ingredients are the people. You need to identify the right champions. They have to have credibility, passion, drive, and an interest to make it successful. You have to engage the appropriate stakeholders and partners. No single organization or group can do this alone. The science, of course, has to be important. You have to be able to respond to opportunities. Select your target wisely, aim to answer important and timely questions, and build on strengths. Of course, funding. Big questions require big amounts of money. You must be ready to think big and make that quantum leap. The tools you need, we use workshops, consultations. You have to have continuous communication with your community. Strategic plan has to be developed that has clear objectives, and you must, of course, have the appropriate organizational structure to ensure the appropriate governance and accountability. So I'm going to end there, and I think John's going to come up and talk just a little to set the stage for the importance of the science that we are tackling with this consortium. So that is not forgotten. Are you on here, John?